Welcome to the world of rapid heat sterilization, advanced technology using high-velocity hot air to sterilize your valuable instruments quickly and efficiently. In this video, we summarize the important steps to properly operate a rapid heat sterilizer in both the high temperature and low temperature cycle settings. For more detailed instructions, always refer to Cpac's Rapid Heat Sterilizer Operation Manual. Before initiating the process of sterilizing instruments from a cold start, a preheating cycle must be completed in an empty rapid heat sterilizer chamber. To start the preheating cycle, close and lock the chamber door on an empty chamber, and press the on/standby LED button. After an initial startup display screen, the Select Operating Temperature Cycle touchscreen display will appear. Select and press the temperature cycle that you will be using to sterilize instruments, either the 375 Fahrenheit cycle for faster turnaround and high heat-resistant instruments, or any one of the 3 low-temperature cycles for instruments incompatible at the 375 temperature cycle. Note that when sterilizing handpieces at the 375 temperature, synthetic lubricants must be used during routine handpiece maintenance. After confirming your temperature selection, a preheating display screen will confirm that the preheating cycle process has begun. When the preheating cycle has finished, a ready screen will appear, allowing you to open the door, load the chamber, and press Start to begin the sterilization process. In preparing your load on instrument trays, arrange the load in a single layer of cleaned and dried instruments, cassettes, or packs. When wrapping instruments for the 375 temperature cycle, use only high-temperature sterilization pouches and wraps that have been validated for use either by the manufacturer or by Cpac for sterilization at the 375-degree temperature. In sterilizing at any one of the low-temperature cycles, you can either use high-temperature dry heat pouches and wrap, or steam sterilization pouches and wrap. Use dry heat chemical indicator strips or sticker labels in the sterilization load to confirm exposure to sterilization conditions. After loading the chamber, close the door, making sure the door handle is in its full locking vertical position. To initiate a sterilization cycle at the 375 temperature from the Ready screen, first press Start, and then choose from the Select Cycle display screen the cycle that identifies the type of load that you are sterilizing. During the sterilization sequence, the Door is Locked screen will appear, followed by the Cycle in Progress screen that shows a graph that tracks the temperature during load warm-up and sterilization. After the sterilizer load has charged up to sterilization temperature, a graph on the display will show the progress of the sterilization cycle, including a digital countdown. Upon conclusion of sterilization, a cycle complete screen will be displayed with an audible tone. When removing trays after the completion of a sterilization cycle, always use the heat protective gloves provided with the sterilizer or other oven-safe mitts. Place the trays on a heat-resistant counter surface or, for faster cooling, on a wire mesh rack. For continued use of the sterilizer, always close the chamber door after removing sterilizer loads so that the sterilizer can maintain temperature for another cycle. Leaving the sterilizer chamber door open turns the sterilizer off by automatically shutting down the sterilizer heating system. For additional details regarding installation and operation, please refer to Cpac's Rapid Heat Sterilizer Quick Guide and Operation Manual for your specific sterilizer model. Thank you for watching this instructional video.